Yun. Masarap yung kinakain ko ngayon, guys. May snack lang ako na kinakain. Baka gusto nyo. Ayan, welcome here sa live ko, ha. Minute by Lani. O sige, EQ natin. Hi, Mama Maber! Hello po. Minute by Minute Lani. Ayun. EQ natin yan. Sino pang may request? Go lang, mag-request lang kayo. Sana all masarap. Masarap ka rin naman, ha. Hi, Ma! Hi, Mama Sally. Stick with you. Hip-hop. What? Anong meaning yan, Kyle? Minsan ang random yung mag-comment talaga, eh, no? Hi, Annie B. I miss you too. Miss ko nga mag-live ngayon. Ready na ba kayong lahat? Born to be wild ba kayo? Born to be ready? Ha? Ready? Dapat ready kayo sa magbabagsak. May ibabagsak dito, ready na ba kayo? Hi, Sir Jason! May babagsak na gift si ano. Uy, nag-eat na ako ng dinner. Tawang-tawa yung mga ano, napag-ahalataan dyan, oh. Tawang-tawa, ha. Spill the coffee. Where the hell is my coffee? Ang tanong ko muna, where the hell is my coffee? Yan yung inaano ko. Inuubos na nil. Hindi ako papayag na ubusin niya. Ikaw lang dapat uubos na ito. Oy! Uubos ng kinakain ko ngayon. Ano yan? Lux Slim lang po iniinom ko.
Don't kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me. Don't show
Oo nga.
my house. All caught up in your feelings. Don't run me round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down. Just to let me
Malaki. Nakita ko alaga mo malaki. Oo, malaki na si Louie eh.
don't tell me
Di ba yung corgi ko malaki na nga. Mabalahibo din.
baby don't run.
Ang taba na nga din eh. Ang bigat na eh.
Don't kiss me, no, don't kiss me right now. On your lips, just leave it.
Paps, ba't ang cute mo? Hindi ko nga din alam eh. Mana tayo. Sino? Guys, sino pa may request? Napamusic na natin yung ano, yung Mean It. Sino pa may request na ibang ano, song? Rosas by who? Mana sa'yo si Louie malaki. Alam mo ba girl? Sabi ni Crystal. Wow. Mga youngsta na pala to. O sige, alam mo ba girl? Mga laking youngsta na pala din yung mga nanonood din dito. Youngsta na ka ba big boss? O pero naka-home. Adtok yun natin. Ayan. Sino pa may request? Let me hear you say. Ayan na. Nanonosebleed kasi tayo kapag may mga kausap na ano eh. Ano, alive si ano. Senyorito. Grabe yun. Okay. I'm gonna ride you just how you like it to die. Then after that,
Let's do it one more time. Girl, I ain't one for begging, but now you got me begging. Please me, baby.
turn around and just teach me, babe.
You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say,
Please,
hear you say,
please.
turn around and just
Kamusta kayo guys? Guys, eto na. Ready na ba kayo? Kausap lang naman tayo.
Oh,
Hi! Oy.
one match?
Yeah, one match. Is it okay? Okay. Hi!
Hello.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Where are you from?
I'm from Korea, and where are you from?
From Philippines. Mabuhay.
Yeah.
How old are you, brother?
So I'm born in 2001, so 24.
You're 24.
Yeah. How old are you?
You're too young.
Yeah, too young. Me too so young. Yeah.
No, I'm 22 years old.
23?
22.
22.
But
Wow.
but I'm turning 23 on May. This May. Actually, it's very near. That's why I'm preparing for something bigger. Something
Oh.
bigger.
Yeah.
But yeah, nice meeting you.
Yeah.
So how's your life so far?
Yeah. So far.
Yes. What time did you start? A while
Oh,
ago.
I'm right today I'm doing my broadcast 6 hour, almost 7 hours to streaming.
Oh, you're 7 hours streaming right now. Nice.
Yeah,
You're
so long
very
time.
patient.
Yeah, so long time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hi.
Thank you for the much. Again, guys,
Thank you to Tap to Light.
come on, tap. Let's go, tap.
Reload it.
Follow. Sa mga hindi pa nakafollow,
Reloads.
follow na kayo. Guys, triples, guys. Come on. May triples pa din. Ayan na.
Reload,
Ayan na.
please, huh?
Are you strong? What's your name?
Xijun.
What's your name?
My name is Xijun.
June.
Yeah,
Can
Jun.
can I call you June instead?
Yeah.
For short.
I'm not very strong. Yeah.
Mm. But that's thank you for the friendly match.
Yeah. Close.
Have you been here in Philippines before?
No, but
Not
I'm
yet.
planning to May to go to Boracay. I'm planning.
Yeah, go to Boracay. You know, Boracay is one of the greatest and
Yeah.
most popular here in Philippines.
Yeah.
Most popular island.
I want to go to Philippines, but Korea is so
Yeah.
cold.
Go there.
Yeah, Boracay.
I hope I can see you there.
Yeah.
Only in Boracay? Or
Yeah, maybe.
then how many days?
Maybe I go Boracay maybe 6 days or 5 days.
Oh, 6 days or 5 days. Nice. Nice. Just enjoy here. Promise.
Yeah. Thank you for calling me.
Guys, come on. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Oh my.
Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Bilisan nyo dyan.
Hello everyone. Hello.
Dala ko palaman, nawawala yung angas sa tas lamong palaban. Tanggal ang kulit, tama tong mga
Are you a singer?
talbog na
Oh, I'm a former idol in Korea. Right now I'm
former idol.
right now I'm do my menswear shopping mall in Korea.
dulas sa isip ko na may kahit di mo na ako sa
Sorry again.
Yeah, I'm run my menswear shopping mall in the Korea right now. Yeah. Oh, you
What's that?
Yeah, I'm a single.
Nagpapang abot sa gabi na mag-isa ka't nakabalog sa dilim. Mahal kita at hindi
Nice. Guys, last 30 seconds. Come on.
Oh my God, Salah. Okay.
Kaya yan. Ayan. Salamat. You know, kamsamnida in English is thank you. In
Yeah.
Tagalog or in Filipino, it's salamat.
Salaman. Oh, okay. Salaman.
Salamat. Yeah, salamat.
Oh my God. Christian,
salamat.
salamat.
Kamsamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
Joe.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you for my MVPs. Thank you guys. Ayan, very easy lang muna tayo ngayon. Pa-chill lang muna, chill lang. Diba? Chill lang. Para relax lang kayo. Diba? Ay, ang na kinakain ko ha. Ayan na. Ay, wala. Akala ko yun yan eh. Dulo ng Pahina by Wilbert. O sige. Dahil ang dami nagre-request. Dulo ng Pahina.
We got to get my love.
By Wilbert Ross, no?
So my lady say,
Hey, hey, hey daddy, hey, hey, hey daddy, hey, hey, hey daddy.
I ain't gotta do a lot of flexing.
Oh, come on, here we go.
Already know what it is.
Oh, why?
Girl, tonight we gonna do a lot of sex.
Who's this one?
Yeah,
Oh, come on.
nobody like this. Oh,
Why are you guys...
won't ring no bells. Yeah, you just broke that bottom.
Why is everybody declining it? Biceps reveal? You want my biceps? Or you want my triceps? Or you want my abs? Or you want my glutes?
Say daddy's home.
Choose. Which part?
Waiting for this love in my day. Daddy's home. It's time to play. You ain't got to give my
Which part, man?
So my lady say, hey, hey, daddy know what you like. Oh, daddy know what you like.
Hey, daddy. Nose? Why nose?
Gone 3 days, bought a quarter meal. Miss me to death. Guess what she wrote? I miss you.
Hindi rin ako updated, B. Sorry.
I get shot, had a Range Rover.
Miss you lang. Ay,
Lame hoe. In that little house that you want.
lang. Parang ikaw, lang.
Made love to that bro. Without BBS.
Lang.
Stay at the Maybach, baby.
Siguro pag ganyan ka, sinuntok kita. Tsari. Hindi magiging violente. Joke lang.
And I keep it all low.
Hindi po magiging violente.
It's home. You know how that go.
You say daddy's home.
Hi, Cray Santos. I miss you too. Kahit di pa tayo nag-iinta. Miss kita. Ate Lynn. Nixie, I miss you din. Dinamiss ko rin talaga mag-live ngayon. Tsaka saktong-sakto. Diba? Wala man tayo masyadong I mean, pahinga natin syempre. Kamusta tayo mag-grind Congrats sa atin guys! Umabot tayo ng 4K viewers ha. In fairness ha. Hindi ko yun expect yun ha. Galing nyo! Ang galing nyo guys, promise. Hug nyo ako, dali hug nyo ako. Hug nyo ako. Wait, tuwang-tuwa kasi sila, kota nga tayo. Tuwang-tuwa sila. After na live, natuwa sila. Ang galing. Diba?
Sa unang salya,
Kahit may mga nanggugulo.
iyong mukha ay alam ko agad.
Pero normal lang kasi yun eh. May mga manggugulo talaga sa live. Normal na yun.
Gagawin natin kwento
Tingnan nyo kahit anong gulo nakakota.
sa bawat ngiti.
Paano yun to ah?
Iyong mata ay
Ganon.
tulog ako sa mundo
Yeah. Hindi talaga siya mawawala.
sa'yo na para bang walang ibang tao.
May mga trollers kasi.
Sana'y samahan mo akong kulayan ng kulay abokong mundo kung saan
Paulit ng ngiti.
lamang kulang
Ganon.
magkukulang pagmamahal ko sa'yo.
More blessings pa sa atin. Totoo yan.
Sana'y ikaw
More successful live selling pa para sa ating lahat.
ulo ng pahina ng aking libro. Kasama kang maglalakbay sa bawat yugto.
Oo.
Kwentong sinusunod
More. As long as lumalaban tayo ng patas.
pangako sa'yo. Walang
Thank you, Ate Skyril.
ibibigay ko
Yes, more brands to come.
sa pagtanda. Aalala sa'yo ang tiwala ka lang mahal.
And more family. to grow. Ang ganda naman ng kanta na to. Ang ganda ng kanta ni Will. Alam mo, ang galing ng boses ni Wilbert.
Saya mong dala
Grabe, no? Yung ano niya.
patanong
Touch my body tender. Yung ganon.
pang lahat ng
Hindi ka na sa akin Wilbert eh. Wilbes.
wala pinili ako
Wilbe. Wilkins pala, hindi Wilbert, Wilkins.
Sabay kulaya ng kulaya buong mundo kung saan tayo lamang ang
Oo, pa-Wilses na.
pagkukulang ang
Diba?
pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Sana ikaw at ako sa dulo ng pahina ng aking libro
Isang pitik nga kuya with soft moves.
ang maglalakbay sa bawat yugto na kwentong sinusulat ko.
Ayan.
At pangarap
Bye!
sa'yo,
Yung nagla-live ka, tapos bigla kang sinapian ni Ian Mark.
halipin ko hanggang sa pagtataalalay sa'yo. Magtiwala,
Try nyo pa panoorin.
mahal ko.
Ano yan? Golden Scenario of Tomorrow. Ah, sige.
Ay, ang araw na to,
Lista ko na yan sa bakit ano.
ikaw naglalakad
List.
at patungo na
Thank you, Ate Nixie.
ang ating pangako naglayo hanggang dulo. Alam mo, ikaw at ako sa dulo ng pahina ng ating
Thank you. I love the tips.
Hello!
Christian.
Hi! Kamusta na?
Sana ang boses. Okay, no?
Oo, wala na akong boses. Asan ka ngayon?
Nasa airport, as usual.
Papuntang?
Sa Fuso, ng mga...
Sa puso ni Russell.
Sometimes.
Yes.
Pasibu. Hindi ka nagpapakita sa akin,
Pasibu.
Christian.
Ha?
Hindi ka nagpapakita sa akin.
Uy! Bigla ka umalis. Naging Batangas ka. Naalala mo?
Dapat yun na yun the day.
Oo. Bigla ka ng Batangas.
May mga bagay kasi na biglaan din ng mga nangyayari sa
Oo nga eh, ganun talaga. And naiintindihan ko naman. Oo. Siyempre may mga bagay na talagang minsan na dapat
Pero lilipat ako sa QC yata soon. Mag-end na yung contract ko
Malapit na.
for the condo.
Kaano-ano mo si Russell?
Wala.
Friend mo.
Russell,
Friend mo.
ano daw kita?
Photographer, personal photographer ako niyan.
Ano ba tayo? Ano ba, Ju?
Personal photographer.
Ay, di ba ano?
Si
Ikaw ba yung nagbebenta ng ano, ng sando na ano? Bricks ba yun?
May mga brand yan sila. Mga brand.
Exclusivo.
Exclusive.
Yes.
Mga ganyan kasi. Binigyan mo ako mag-gym ako. Mag-gym. Hindi ka nagpapakita.
Kamusta naman?
Eto.
Anong oras yung flight mo? Anong oras flight
Pili
mo?
nga dapat alas 10. Pero unfortunately, delayed plus 1.
Alas 10 dapat.
Nakakainis. Pero wala
Taga saan si Russell? Taga saan?
Midnight Dream Studio. Kanina ko kami na-promote.
Ano yung, dance studio? Photoshoot. Photoshoot. Nice. Ano yan sa ano? Sa kila Russell?
Yung
Taga
taga saan
saan
ka daw?
Taga Pasay.
Pasay.
Di ba sinabi mo? Ay, ano? Ay.
Nag-meet
Kayo,
na kayo.
taga saan kayo?
Nag-meet na kayo ni ano?
Ano? Oo, ilang beses na.
Okay.
Ganda.
Tuwing na po photoshoot nga pala kayo, no? Kasi nga pala personal
Hindi ko pa napapotoshoot yan.
Oo.
Nakita ko yung photoshoot mo, may hawak kang phone. Sino yung nag-shoot sa'yo?
Sino ako?
Oo, ikaw.
Self-shoot lang yun. I mean like yung
Parang photograph.
ganun lang, pindot-pindot.
Ikaw nag-edit?
Basically para siyang self-portrait. Ganun.
Nyo rito. Kailan ulit kayo mag-shoot?
Hindi ko alam ni Russell kung gusto niyang mag-shoot ako. Okay, okay. Open naman ako for collaboration sa shoot.
Shoot sa ring?
Willing ka ba, Russell? Tanong.
Ha?
Kuya, nakikiano ako rito.
Ano daw?
Nakiki-watermark.
Are you willing to risk your life? Risk your life. Father? Ikaw ba yan? Hindi siya naging father? Yes, I do, father.
Naging father pa nga.
Hindi, napaka hard worker. Yes, si Russell. Sabi yung
Super
sobrang hard.
Anong hard?
Napaka-hard worker mo.
Hard ko? Ano? Hard?
Diba?
Hard ko?
Watermark ako dito, guys.
Ikaw na lang yung mag-react. Yung parang yung para sa mga content. Like, sa gilid lang. Ayan. Ang gwapo naman din Russell. Ayan. May mga... Russell, magpakita ka sa... Ano ba? Ano ba, joke?
Hindi naman ako sanay.
Christian, saan ka Christian? QC?
Yung office ko sa Manda.
Pero QC ka? Or BGC?
Mandaluyong, no?
Mandaluyong.
Kailan matatapos yung contract mo sa Makati?
May... Gusto ba sa'yo na lang ako?
Visit.
Ikaw ang magbabayad, basta ikaw magbabayad.
Oo. Ako tagaluto,
Legit ba?
tagalinis, tagabayad. Ay, sir. Gawin mo akong slave. If you willing, you do that.
Fantasy ka, baby, ha?
Oo.
Ayaw mo kaya, no? Ay, di ba may pinost ka sa Facebook about sa issue today? Ay, pinagtanggol kita dun.
May pinost ka sa Facebook, pinagtatanggol ka pala eh. Oh.
Ha?
Pinagtatanggol ka niya.
At lost, Russell.
Next, I set a priority and
Ay, yung pinupost ko sa Facebook? For the image lang yun, Russell. Alam mo naman. Alam mo naman talaga yung gusto ko, di ba? Hindi magkakaroon.
Accept. I-match na lang natin yan.
Ayoko na makipaglaban sa inyo. Nanonood sa akin to. Tapos yung isa kapatid
Feeling ko nag-ano kayo rito.
Video call.
Nag-online Kaya nga eh, parang,
Ano?
parang ako yung ano, yung friend nyo na
Actually,
ano.
nag-video call lang kami.
Ah,
Ang pangit ng pagkakabigkas.
parang ako yung ano, yung accidentally napindot sa video call.
Di ba? Then, nag-update na ako kasi, di ba, here ako sa, natanggal. It's been a while din na hindi ko siya nakita. Hello. Magaling sumayaw yan, si Russell.
Sample nga, sample.
Pahingi ako ng 5 pitik,
Kailangan
Russell. With soft move. 5 pitik with soft moves.
Ikaw rin. 5 pitek with soft move. Namit mo na yan, yung ano.
5 pitik with soft
Kumukuha mo, ang galing.
Grabe yung galing ni ano, no? Hindi halatang kinikilig ka, senyorito.
Ha?
Hindi halatang kinikilig ka.
Kinikilig. Okay naman sa kilig.
Ano lang.
Kilig oten. Sorry.
Pa-check ng web.
Sipat na ba kayo? Eto, utin ko kanina. Utin.
Report.
Ayan na.
Ayun o, delay na naman yung flight.
Boarding na.
Hindi. 773 oh. Delayed oh.
Ayan na sila.
Mauna na ako, bye-bye.
Sige. Ako din.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Parang nawala na yung saysay ang mundo ko. Sige na, kanina pa kami nagla-live Christian. Bye-bye. See you
Ano
ha.
oras?
Christian, ano na?
Sige na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Russell.
Punta ka dito, sa Yoli tayo.
Ayoko. Ay, sige. Alam?
B,
Gusto ko lang naman magpa-hard to get, pero bakit?
ang sikip mo dyan. Uwi ka na ngayon na uwi mo.
Ano?
Last day mo, ngayon at pinaka-uwi mo.
Labi naman
Or
sa last
umuwi
day
ka
bata
ng-
pa ako.
Hindi. Last day mo na sa Manila.
Yeah, pero babalik ako April 17.
Kasi,
Hindi pa tapos yung kontrata ko sa condo. Tsaka may mga project din ako
Makati.
sa Manila. So magkikita tayo ha.
umalis ka kasi agad eh. Sa bagay
Yeah.
ng mga
Ang dami ko kasi mga
Yun
trabaho.
talaga.
Kailangan kong magkumayod at magpakayod.
Yes, paano yung kayod? Kayod na may halong oten-oten? Paano? Oh, dancer ka, no?
Foreign star. Kaya ko lahat. Kaya kong kumain habang sumasayaw. Tama.
Kaya mo rin sumayaw habang kumakain.
Oo. Ganon. Sige na, Christian. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Mag-i-end na din ako.
Bye-bye! Kapam ka!
See you soon. Chat-chat
Sawadee
na
ka.
lang ha. Sa Viber, di ba?
Oo!
Viber yun, WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's up?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, what's up?
Bye, guys.
So yun na nga guys, no? Bait kasi nila ako eh. Tapos, hindi naman pala ano. That's right, I am tripping the finesse. Guys, malakas ba signal ko guys? Naglalag ba ako or hindi? Pa-comment niya ako guys. Comment nyo nga ngayon. And it made no sense. 67 MPBS or MPBA. Sakto lang ba? Sakto lang. Ayan. Ayan, okay naman pala. Hindi siya naglalag. Akala ko naman naglalag. Kasi nagdidilaw-dilaw sa akin. Parang may Christmas light. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari. Parang ano, wala pang Pasko, yung internet ko nag-Christmas light na siya. Sobrang ligalig. No sense, I am tripping nothing.
Hello, bro.
Hi.
Hello,
Hi,
bro. How are you?
How are you, bro? One match, bro?
Yo, let's go one match. Do we Cristiano Oppa? You're Oppa?
Christian, but you can call me Chani.
GJ is calling Christian
Just
Oppa.
Chani.
Christian Oppa.
No, you can call me Chani.
Kokimini Chani, yeah? Ah, Philippine person. Ah, hello, nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you. Nice to meet
Nice to meet you. Chani입니다.
you. Chani입니다. Nice to meet you. I'm Minmin. Hey, GJ is coming. Hello,
Minmin,
GJ.
nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
How old are you, Minmin?
I'm Bertun is 13.
What?
It's 13 one.
What? Sorry, I can't hear you.
13 one. My age.
41.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm very older. I'm 아저씨.
You look you look like not 30, 41. Yeah.
31? 13-1?
Yeah.
30,
Yeah,
look
you
like
look-
my face is 13-1. Tiara is coming. Ginger, welcome back. Especially hello.
You look like young.
Oh, thank you so much. Actually, my age is 13-1. Nice to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 22.
22? Okay, I'm brother.
Yeah, you're my brother.
Yeah, if I'm
Where are
married.
you from, by the way?
I'm
where
from
you
South
from?
Korea and I have 2 children. How are you, Tiara? How
That's
are you?
why. That's why you look young at your age, because you're from South Korea.
Yeah, I'm have wife. I'm have 2 wife.
That. Yeah, that solved the problem. Oh, I see.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Nice, nice.
Loresa. Hello, Loresa.
Actually, I have a.
Hello, love headphone. Giselle.
I have a ano.
You will
I have
sleep.
family.
You will sleep. Giselle, you will sleep. Let's go.
I have also a daughter and a son.
You have?
Yeah.
What I talked about? You're 22. I'm 31. I'm having children. You don't have children. Yeah. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you
Yes.
so much, Giselle. Loving you, all those.
They got a tail.
My wife's name is Top Gun. Yeah. Last week some weird kiss is Top Gun me. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Wallace, everyone, Ashley. Thank
Nice.
you. Thank you. Yes.
How old is your wife?
My
How
wife
old is your wife?
My wife is 2000 is 25.
Oh,
25.
I see.
Yeah. She's name is
Are you a
Taco.
model?
Yeah, I'm is a fitness model.
Oh. What kind of modeling? Fitness.
I'm so big muscle is a model.
Oh, a bodybuilder. Fitness. Like a fitness instructor, something like that.
Yeah, that's right. Everyone triple. Yeah. But you're from Philippines.
Oh.
How tall are you?
Yeah, I'm from Philippines.
How tall are you?
Yes. What?
How tall are you?
175
175
centimeter, I think.
meter. Okay, I see. Yeah.
How tall are you?
119.
190?
Yeah.
You're very tall.
Yeah, I'm very tall. Means look you so young for
Nice.
your age. Hey, Christian.
What?
Actually, my age is 23, 22.
Really?
Yeah, I'm born to 2003. We are friend.
Oh, so we're the same. I'm born in 2003 as well. You're a prankster, huh? You got me there.
You got me there, yeah. Let's get real double tapping,
Yeah.
please. It's 25 seconds left. We just is one match, everyone.
But
Just one match.
But I have really a son and a daughter.
Why? Tata, thank you so much, Tata. Walos, thank you.
Yes, and they have a tail.
What this means they were the bear.
You know that? You know what it means? It means they're a dog. Oh,
thank you, Snipey! Thank you, Snipey! Hey, fuck you.
Guys,
Thank you so much.
thank you so much.
Yeah, you say Miss
Mimi,
Dog?
Have a nice day.
Hey, bro, you dog is say. Oh, usually it's your glove. Be nice. Okay, be nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Min Min. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, Seo. Nice to meet you too. Bye-bye.
Nice to meet you. Bye bye.
Bye, bro. Thank you so much. It's nice.
Guys! Anyari? Hindi ko rin namalayan. Hindi kasi, syempre, sayang naman, natalo us.
Hello,
Hi! Where are you from?
South Korea. And you?
What's your name?
I asked first. And you? Bro?
What?
No.
I mean,
Udi?
how
wanna
can I
play-
call you?
Teddy.
Teddy.
Yeah.
Is my signal okay?
Yeah, it's
Is it
fine.
okay?
Fine. Yep.
Okay. Can we do one match?
Okay.
Just one match.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, Teddy, ayan. How old are you?
I'm 29. Yeah.
Yeah,
아, 소울메이트. 오케이. 이따가 얘기해봅시다. 네.
nice. So, what do you do for a living? Are you an actor?
Pardon?
Are you an actor? Actor?
Yeah, actor.
What kind of a series? A movie?
Series or so and movie or so. You have Netflix?
Yeah, I have Netflix. Oh, so you
maybe
did.
next month my movie will be
On Netflix.
broadcasting. Yeah.
Oh, what's the movie name?
Choir of God.
Ohio God.
Yeah.
What's that? What's the meaning of that?
Just
Band. You know band? Guitar,
Band.
drum, band.
Ben Nagkuha? What Ben? Oh, the guitar one.
Yeah.
The band.
Yeah, band story. Yeah.
Band.
Band.
Oh, so you're a singer too.
No, I'm guitarist in movie.
You're a guitar.
Movies.
Oh.
Yeah.
But can you play guitar in real life?
Just a little bit. Yeah.
Wow.
Not
So you know how
professional.
to play
Yeah.
just basics, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So have you been here in Philippines or not yet?
Oh, you live in Philippines.
Yeah.
I lived there before.
Really?
Cebu. Yeah.
Oh,
When I was young,
what
I lived in
year?
Philippines.
What year?
2 years and 6 months.
2 years and 6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, Cebu is very, very beautiful city.
Yeah, I know. I like SM more and yeah.
SM.
Yeah. Have you ever visited
Why?
Plantation Bay Resort before?
Actually, in Seda Hotel, is that right? No. It's, yeah. I think it's Seda
Yeah.
Hotel in, so I
Mactan.
stayed there before in Mactan.
Oh. Yeah.
And then I go to Oslo. You know that?
Mm.
You know that place? The Oslo. Where the whale shark.
Oh. So you live in Philippines now?
Yeah, but I'm here in Manila.
Mm.
Yes.
It's nice.
Yeah. Have you been here in Manila or
No. Just Cebu and Boracay.
oh,
Because I heard that dangerous.
Hi Sir Gian.
Every night gun sound.
Say hi to my friend here,
thank you.
Gion Santiago.
What's the
Gion
name?
Santiago. Gion Santiago.
Gion Santiago. Hello,
Yeah.
Gion Santiago. Hello.
Yeah, he's my friend. One of my very, very good, very professional. Yes.
Okay.
Oh my God! But thank you so much for this match,
Welcome, brother.
Eddie. Thank you so much. I hope we meet soon.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna follow you.
Bye. I
You
follow
again.
you also. Bye.
Bye.
Ayun. Ano nangyari? Ayun. Okay na. Akala ko natalo pa eh. Akala ko matatalo pa. Lagi ganun. Buti na si Sir Gio na padalaw. Sir G! Kamusta na? Grabe long time. One of my former CM. So to me. Ayan sila. Wait lang, napapamusic pala tayo.
I perform for you like a porn star.
Eh,
Robotic sounds is going down. Now listen, I can hear your heartbeat, you sweating. I can paint a perfect picture. I get deeper and deeper. I told you I'd get you. I work that, murk that, just the way you like it, baby. Turn a quickie into an all-nighter, maybe. Your sex drive, it match my sex drive.
naglalag na eh.
This is a NASCAR ride, switch gears, slow down, go down, roll down. You can feel every inch of it when we intimate. I use my tongue, baby. I lose your bro, maybe. I ain't your hands, spin the same shit, so.
Big Bang, yeah. Big Bang, yeah. The Big Bang, yeah. Very big, big, yeah. Big Bang, yeah. Feeling ko pwede na ito si ano. Miss you, Joji.
From my touch, get intoxicated. Drunk off my love. Call a Hennessy Thug. Passion, you like
Kamusta naman kayo, guys?
regular. Tell me what you want, shawty. That's what I'ma give you. I need you.
Kamustahan lang muna. Abang mahina kasi kaso.
You see, I need you.
Alam niyo na.
I need you. I'm telling you, so now you know what I need. I'll be a part of
Siyempre.
it. Significant other. No matter which way it go, I'm most so cut up.
Ba't parang hina signal ko, no?
I'm feeling you still. I'm telling
Or ano, guys? Or ano, guys? Mahina ba? Naglalag ba ako, guys? Pa-comment niya ako. Saan ka kumakapit, be? Bagsak ko. Ah, yung bagsak ba? Wala eh, wala rito yung mga ano eh. Wala rito yung magbabagsak, guys eh. Sa IG. O sige, game.
Let me talk to him. Let me talk to him. Let it rain. Let me talk to him. Come on.
Sorry, very low, 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 low. Abuntis pare. Huy! Wag ganun! Wag po ganun, wag po ganun. Cute ba? Weh. Always choose to be kind. That is right. Yes, yes, offer, di ba? Kaya nga naglalag nga ako eh. Wait, tatry ko guys. Tatry ko guys. Ayan, naglalag. Hindi na.